In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfulfill an order or cancel fulfillment on Shopify. Whether you're managing your own online store or helping someone with theirs, knowing how to manage orders effectively is crucial. Let's walk through the steps together so you can confidently handle any order cancellation situation that arises. First, you'll want to go to the Orders section within your Shopify account. This is your command center for order management, where you can view all the orders that have been placed by your customers. If you're currently on a free trial account, note that you might not have any real orders just yet. But that's perfectly okay. You can still follow along with the steps to understand the process, so you're ready to go when those orders start rolling in. Once you're in the Orders section, you'll need to select the specific product or order that you intend to delete. This might take a bit of navigation if you have several products listed, so take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct one. Remember, handling orders pertains directly to your inventory and customer satisfaction, so accuracy here is key. After you've identified the order you want to unfulfill, your next move is to click on More Actions. This button usually sits within the Order Details page, providing you with further options to manage your order. It's essentially a drop-down menu that holds various administrative actions, giving you more control over how you want to handle each order in your store. From the More Actions drop-down, select Cancel Order. By doing this, Shopify will register that you're intending to stop the order from being fulfilled. It's important to note that once you cancel an order, it won't be processed any further, so make sure this is indeed what you want to do. This step is crucial because it basically instructs your system to halt any ongoing fulfillment processes, whether it's shipping or notifying your suppliers. Following the cancellation, you'll see an option to Delete Order. Clicking this will remove the order from your system permanently. It's a great practice to ensure that your order records remain clear and up-to-date, preventing any clutter or confusion in your back-end management. Deleting unnecessary orders helps keep your data tidy and makes it easier for you to track and manage actual orders moving forward. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently unfulfill or cancel an order in your Shopify account. Thank you for tuning in, and don't hesitate to explore our other tutorials for more helpful insights into navigating Shopify and optimizing your online store for success. Until next time, happy selling!